Today we're at Washington Crossing
State Park in New Jersey.
and we're gonna go to Highlands, New Jersey, where we're gonna take the ferry from New Jersey right to Wall Street in Manhattan, and we have to get there by 4:30 because the next ferry isn't until 7:30.
Which is okay, but it's a while later.
Yeah, and we want to make sure that we get lots of sunlight. We're testing the cameras today. That's what this trip is about.
I was thinking a very cheesy metaphor about life, how we're at different spots on it and we go away and we come back to each other. Even though we're friends, we're not always there for each other. It's, swear to God, it's cheesy, but it's what I was thinking about. What's up? Hell.
The route that we chose put us on England Road.
England!
Which, for the first 2 times of a mile, looked like this. And now, it looks like this.
Yes.
It's very bad, but we're on an adventure.
An adventure.
England Road. For the Queen. This is hard to do one-handed, and yes, I'm insistent. The road has become a pond, and there is a Kate.
It's me. You might not succeed. I might not succeed. But it'll probably work.
You got it, yeah. Log.
Yep.
Woo! Goodbye, England Road. We probably won't miss you that much.
I'll miss England.
We're 20 miles away from the beach. We're 20 miles away from Highlands, and we are not going to make the 4:30 ferry. It's just not going to happen. We did stop for a really good lunch at Al's Luncheonette, and we didn't really take a video because they stayed open a little late for us, and were very nice to us, and we didn't want to push our luck. So we are still hustling, and we're going to try and get to the 7:30 ferry instead. And what we'll do is just maybe go bop around in Sandy Hook. Until then, we're actually on the Henry Hudson Trail most of the way there. Out of the last 20 miles, it's like 15 are on this trail, and it's nice. It's been really cool. We've seen a couple families, and it's lovely. Street Ferry that we took from Highlands, New Jersey to 34th Street Ferry Station in Manhattan.
To their credit, they do take bikes. We roll our bikes on, and I'm used to trains where you just kind of like bungee your bike to some empty seats. but the person who worked on the boat led us out to the front of the boat and just was like, yeah, just lean your bike up against the railing, it'll be fine. I am assuming that people who do that commute regularly have a system and they know to carry bungees, and like we always carry bungees because they're useful tools, but I would think that it would be more efficient for C Street and for general efficiency of bike transportation system if they had like guidelines or specific places to put the bikes rather than just lean them up against a railing on a rocky boat, because I would be very much displeased if my bike rolled over the side.
It was a very fun trip.
It was.
For England!